Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Apple Watch Ultra 2 not charging in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to check the charger and the power source. Charging problems usually happens because of a faulty adapter, cable or sometimes low power source. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are using the original Apple USB-C magnetic charger. Now you need to plug it into the wall adapter, which should be at least 20 watt, which is recommended. Avoid using the laptop USB ports or power banks. You can also try a different wall socket. If possible, you can test with another Apple charger. Now, if the issue still persists even after doing this, you just have to make sure that you clean the back of the watch and the charger. The dust, sweat or debris can block the proper contact between the charger and the watch. So you need to remove the watch from the charger, then wipe the back of the watch with a soft dry cloth. Clean the charging puck surface and make sure that both the surfaces are dry. After that, place the watch back properly on the charger and see if it is working properly. Now, if the charger is not aligned correctly, charging will not start. So you need to make sure that you place the watch on a charger. Adjust slightly until you feel the magnetic snap. Look for the charging symbol on the screen and try rotating the watch slightly. So you can try these methods and see if your Apple Watch Ultra 2 is now charging properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.